what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Lonely Joeboy. This one is very simple, only 4 chords, so if you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to play this song. As always, if you have a song that you don't want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of C, and the progression is 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 4, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 4. So the 4 is F major chord, 6 is A minor, 5 is G major chord, and then 1 is C, 5 which is G, and 4 which is F major chord. So for the F major chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar string number 1 and 2 on the first fret. My middle finger is on string number 3 on the second fret. My ring finger, I am holding string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger will be on string number 4, third fret. So this is F major chord. So you may play it as so, or you may play a full bar chord, where you of course bar with your pointer finger the first fret, and then you with your middle finger you play string number 3 on the second fret, your ring finger string number 5 on the third fret, and your small finger string number 4 on the third fret. So this is F major chord. So the chord that follows is the A minor chord. So this is a normal open A minor chord. So I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 2 on the first fret. My my middle finger string number 4 on the second fret, string number 4 second fret, middle finger, and then ring finger string number 3 on the second fret too. Ring finger. The other chord that follows is the G chord. So this G chord, I am using my small finger on string number 1 third fret. My middle finger is on the string 5 second fret, and my ring finger string number 6 third fret. G. And then finally string number chord 1, which is C chord. So this C chord, my pointer finger is on string number 2 first fret, my middle finger string number 4 second fret, and my ring finger string number 5 on the third fret, C chord. So those are the chords that comprise the progression, and the song starts off with F, A minor, G, C, G, F. F, A minor, G, C, G, F. And that's how you will play the song. So well, the song is as simple as that, and that's it for this tutorial. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you learned from it, and also if you have a song that you don't want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. Plus subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.